Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. I feel so good because I'm filming after a very long time. I think it's been more than 2 weeks that I have filmed any videos. That was because my baby as well as me, we both were not feeling well. So I took exactly 2 weeks break. So it was hard time. It was really hard time, but now everything is fine. Today I'll be doing Club Factory haul. So you guys must be already knowing about Club Factory. I think there is no need of introduction because YouTube is full of Club Factory hauls. So let me quickly make a disclaimer. It was Club Factory who contacted me and said that they would like to send me few products, whichever I like. I can choose any products in a budget of 2,500. If I can or if I want, I can do a review on my channel. But definitely I did mention to them that I'll be giving out my honest opinion no matter what. So they were like okay with it. So one more thing I need to mention to you guys is that the prices might vary. It might not be the same. So I'll be mentioning the price in which I got. At the end of the video, I'll be putting out the screenshot of the bill so that you guys know. So let's start with the haul because I'm super excited. So this was how the packaging looked like. I got it in this kind of plasticky wrap which has got cute bear quite nicely packed. It was all bubble wrap, so packaging was pretty good. But then I think it took me almost 17 days to deliver the products, which I think is like a very long gap. I got all the products which I ordered, so that is something again I liked. So packaging wise and all, it was pretty good. Quality wise also it was pretty good, but the delivery time they took was, I think, was like a little too much. So that is there. So first I will show you guys jewelry pieces I picked from Club Factory. The very first thing I want to show you guys is this beautiful earrings. So this is how the earrings looks like. It's so pretty. There is in shade gold as well as silver. I got it in shade silver, and this retails for 63 rupees. And I think for 63 rupees it's of like good quality. Its thing is that it's very lightweight, even though this earring is pretty big. I wouldn't say it's like very large, but then it's not small either. So it's very lightweight, and I should say it's very beautiful, and for 63 rupees it's absolutely stunning. So next jewelry piece is a necklace, and it's a beautiful necklace, guys. Beautiful necklace, and again it's in the shade silver. It was in 3 shades, I guess. One is in silver, copper, and gold. So I picked it up in the shade silver, and there's a beautiful bird and also a leaf over here. This was priced at rupees 59, and again for 59, I think it's beautiful. The design is like beautiful, and also the quality is also pretty good, so I really like this. And the next necklace is this one which I'm wearing right now. This is a single necklace. It has got a choker kind of detailing over here, a ring over here, a round design over here, as well as the second layer has got a pendant like this. This is again a beautiful design, and it retails for 67 rupees. It's very delicate and very fragile, so we need to be a little bit careful by handling this, but I would say again for the price, for 67 rupees, it's a stunning piece because the design is like absolutely stunning and the quality is also pretty good. And the next necklace I got is the alphabet pendant necklace. Again, I got it in shade golden, and most of the necklace has got 2 shades. Mostly it's golden and silver. Sometimes they also have copperish shade, but mostly it's like golden and silver. There is like every alphabet pendant, and we can pick the one which we like. I picked the one in a V, and it's again beautiful. You guys must have already seen this one. It's for 75 rupees. So compared with other necklace, it's slightly on expensive side because most of the necklace I got was for like 50 rupees, 60 rupees. So it's 75, but still, since it has got like alphabet pendant, I really wanted this. So here is yet another beautiful necklace which retails for 62 rupees, and this has got 2 layer, and this has got a pendant at the side like so. And so again, this is like very delicate jewelry. This one again, you guys must have seen it for sure because I have worn it in one of my vlogs, and I should say the design is like pretty good. Since I have worn it more than 15 times, its color has started to fade. For other jewelries, I have worn it once or twice, so its color is still perfect. But this one, since I have worn it for more than 15 times. I think because of that the color has started to fade. It has definitely not faded completely, but it has started to fade. But for the price, I think it's worth. So these are the jewelry items I got from Club Factory, and I should say that for the price we pay, it is pretty good. Next thing I got is this foundation brush, and it retails for 93 rupees, and this is this toothbrush kind of thingy which I never used it, so I was like quite excited. And the bristles is like very smooth and soft, and I have used it once and I didn't found it to be like very helpful for blending the foundation, because I don't know if you guys can see, it is like little pointy. I think if it had been flat, it would be like really helpful to blend the foundation, but it has been really helpful to blend the contouring as well as nose contouring. In that way, it's really good. I think this is more apt as a contouring brush or like highlighting brush rather than a foundation brush. Definitely for 93 rupees, it's really nice product. I like it. Next thing I got is this makeup sponge. I got both these together. I get it in cute little container like this, and there is like variety of shade, but unfortunately we can't choose the color. It would be random. As you guys can see, I have used it. It is not as soft as a makeup sponge, so it's like a little hard. I didn't find it to be really helpful. We can definitely use it. I really like how the shape is. It's like very pointy, so blending concealers, if you want to apply loose powder to our under eyes, it's like perfect. But all in all, I am not great fan of these products. I wouldn't recommend you guys to buy this one. So next thing I got is this natural handmade false eyelashes, and I got it for 110. I haven't used it till now, but by touching it, I can definitely say that's very soft, very soft. And if you guys can see, it's very natural, and it's not that very thick dramatic eyelashes, which I am not great fan of. I wanted for this natural eyelashes, and I think for 110 rupees it's a steal. If you guys have seen those cheap eyelashes, we can definitely make out that those are cheap eyelashes because it won't be that perfect. But then this is definitely perfect. I'm really excited to try it out, and after using this, I'll be definitely giving you guys a proper review. And next thing I got is this beautiful wristwatch, and it was actually came in this kind of packaging, in this envelope which is bubble wrapped from inside, and also it was in this kind of plastic packaging, and it retails for rupees 176. And for 176, I think it's like a pretty good watch. I absolutely loved it. I've been using this for almost a month, and I really like it. I love these kind of big wristwatches, so this one is quite good. For 176, I would say it's like steal. So I got one more watch, but then I haven't used it till now because I didn't make it to my size. It's quite big for my size, obviously. And again, this watch also came in this kind of envelope packaging, which is like a bubble wrapped inside, so that this watch is safe. Watch is absolutely stunning. This is in the shade rose gold. When we see up close, you guys can see that there is like rhinestones, and it's beautiful, really beautiful. Again, the dial is pretty big for my wrist, but then it's okay, it's in trend right now, and it retails for 288, and for 288 again, I think it's a very good deal. Next thing I got is a makeup product, and it is this sweet eyebrow color, and I got it in shade dark brown. They have got 3 or 4 shades. It's one is then black, brown, gray, and dark brown, and I got it in shade dark brown. And I will show you guys right now how it is. So it's like very cute packaging. It has got red cap, really nice. And when we open this, so this is how it looks like. It is retractable, so there is no need of sharpening. So it's quite good. Since it is of slanting shape, it's again really nice. So it is a bit more on waxier side than that of creamier side. So I have used it today on my eyebrows. I don't know if you guys can make it out. So it's good one, and it was priced at rupees 109, and it's a very good eyebrow pencil. Next thing is this interesting pouch in which we can carry our headset or USB cables or anything. But I got this one for my husband because I thought it would be nice to buy something for him. Plenty of shades in it, and since it was for my husband, I got it in black. If it was for me, I would have got it in some kind of like fun shade. So when we open it, there is a pouch like this inside. So I think it is like the best when we are traveling. It retails for 103, and it's a good one. And this one is named as cable wire cord organizer or holder winder, something like that. We can actually tie our charger wires, exit wire, those things we can tie it so that it's like in place, it's not all over. So that's what we can use this for. And this one retails for 73. This has got one cute little frog over here. Since it is like super duper cute, I got one more, and this has got a tiny little elephant. I think this is elephant. Yeah, I don't know what animal it is. This has got two cartoony thingy, whereas in this one there is only one. Maybe because that this retails for 80 rupees and this one was for 73 rupees. And I think this is like really cute and a very good organizer. So next thing I got is this transparent acrylic storage box wherein we can store our lipstick. It's absolutely stunning, guys. I really loved how it is. So this retails for 183 rupees and it's of great quality. I really like it. Next one is the silicone handle cake brush, and which has got soft bristles. Really good if you want to spread the oil to our vessels, or if you are making cake, all those things. It's really good. So this retails for 66 rupees, and I haven't used it till now because I thought I will show it to you guys and then use it. So it's really nice, really cool. I really like it. So next thing is this comb, professional health comb, and it retails for 134 rupees. And there is nothing special about this comb. It's a regular normal comb. It's very soft. Its bristles are soft. I like it. So it's a good one. So next thing is this beautiful t-shirt which has got these animal prints going on, funny cartoony animal prints going on, and it retails for 269. I have worn it once. I have washed it as well. It's really nice quality, but then I wouldn't say this is like appropriate for summers because it's kind of a swimsuit material. It's not properly swimsuit material, but then it's kind of like that. It's very stretchable. It's I think it's like perfect for winter. It's not an apt material for summers, but then for 269 rupees, it's worth. It's like really nice cool t-shirt. I absolutely loved it. So next thing I got is this very interesting thing. This is this 5-in-1 beauty care massager, and this actually retails for 178, and for 178 it's really nice product, guys. I will show you guys right now. This has got 5 different variety of massage. This massager is for face. While we are using face wash, we can actually use it very handy. And if you guys can see, there is like 2 buttons over here. One is in high button and one is in low, so we can control the speed as we want it to be. So this is how it looks like. It's in low speed. Once we put it up, it's in high speed. So I have used it while using my face wash, and it is quite good, guys. In total there are 5 types of massagers, and one is this face massager. This is very hard massager which we can use it for our foot, and this one is again very soft sponge massager, and this one we can use it for our under eyes so that it is more softer than the face massager. So this is again a softer massager, and there is one more massager. This is like a roller, helps for blood circulation in our skin. That's what they have mentioned. I haven't used it till now. I've actually used only this massager. I've used this one for my face. So for 178, I think it's a very good steal. We don't get battery with this. We'll have to buy a separate battery, so please keep that in mind. So it's very good product, guys. I will highly recommend you guys, please go ahead and buy this. It's very nice. I'm not sure how long lasting it would be. I really hope it lasts for a longer time, but I'm not sure about that. So next thing is this cute little thing, which is this USB data protector. We can open this thing like this, and then we can put the USB cable, and we can just close it like this. Actually protects the USB cable's head from breaking. Retails for 71 rupees, and it's cute. So next thing I got is this pop socket, and it retails for 63, I guess. Yeah, and it retails for 63 rupees. It's very cute. It's of matte finish, and I really like it. I think for 63 rupees it's absolutely nice. So these are the products I got from Club Factory. I actually got 21 products in total for 2,492 rupees. So there is not even one thing I regret buying. All of these products are very worth for the money we pay. I should actually mention that there are few products which are like absolute steal. Just tell you guys my experience. We get very cute, nice variety things for cheap price, I should say, that is there. But then we should be a little bit careful while purchasing. That's what I feel. Definitely go ahead and check out the reviews, as well as you can also check out how many people have bought those products. So if you see there are a lot many people like have bought the same product, you can definitely give it a try. But if there are products which you find to be really cute and nice, but no one has tried out yet, then I think it's not a good idea to buy that. It's always better to go ahead and check out the review, as well as how many people have bought it. That's how I shopped. And second thing is that I found Club Factory to be really nice website for jewelry, especially cute, nice cute jewelry. For clothing, I didn't find it to be that affordable and cheap. That's what I found. I think for clothing you can definitely find other websites in cheaper price. That's what I feel. That's the reason I bought only one clothing item from Club Factory, but then I am definitely happy with that. I think that's worth for the money. So that is there. And makeup products and the cosmetics and makeup products also something I didn't find it to be that appealing. Eyelashes was something again very good. I absolutely loved it. And also these cute organizers are there, no, these phone cable organizers, and this cute pouch for storing headset and pop sockets. Those things are again something I really like. The quality is pretty good and the price is very cheap. So that is something I really like. And also that acrylic lipstick holder is also again cute. And the face massager is like absolute steal, you guys. It was really good. I will highly recommend you guys to check it out. In short, I would say jewelry and cute little organizers, and also these face massagers, and I would say also the makeup brushes and eyelashes. Those things are like really good. I didn't find cosmetics and clothing items to be that cheap in Club Factory. So that is there. And negative part I should mention is that, but first thing is that they take such a hell lot of time to deliver. That is there. It took me almost like 16 to 70 days to deliver. That is something we should keep in mind. I actually had ordered one eyebrow razor. 3 of them was for just 35 rupees, and what happened is that it got cancelled after ordering. So they actually refund the amount in my account, and I had to purchase something to get back that. They charge almost like a good amount of delivery charge. I'm not sure about it. I will write it somewhere over here. So that is a negative. If any item get cancelled, it would be a trouble for us, because we can't order that single item just like that, because that will charge a huge amount of delivery charge, and that won't be like profitable for us. So that is there. And also one more negative thing is that they do not have cash on delivery. Again, I feel that's a very negative. So all in all, when I conclude, I just want to tell you guys, you can definitely give it a try. It's a very nice website, very good website. My experience was good, I should say. So that's it, guys. I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, you guys know what to do. Please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.